Okay, for this video I will show you how to find the name and contact information for your instructor. So one way you can do it is you can go to class availability, select KCC and fall 2020, and in here you can find the class that you're looking for. So I'll go to Interdisciplinary Studies. So here the instructor's name is Dressler. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you any contact information right here. So I'm looking for the contact information for the instructor Dressler. If you go back to the main KCC page, directories, and you can go QICC directory. And if you're looking for an instructor from another campus, you can just go to the UH directory. But for QICC, I'm looking for Dressler in the Ds. There I am, and there's my contact information. So that is how you can find the name and contact information for instructors. Hope that's helpful.